Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and today I am going to do Plan With Me in my food diary, which is in a Dollar Tree insert that I keep in this Walmart Pen and Gear Traveler's Notebook. The tassel is also from Dollar Tree, as well as the puff. And let's just pull out the insert. This insert, again, is a Dollar Tree insert. I recovered it. I just kind of put this Simply Gilded journaling card on. I will link to the video where I recovered it so you can see how I did that. So let's go on and get into it. So this is last week's spread. And I'm moving on to this week, which is the 17th through the 23rd. We're coming towards the end of February. Okay. I do have a challenge that's going on in the Scrapcraftastic Facebook group. It is a weekly planner challenge, and this is just a sneak look at the prompts. Usually I don't do the prompts in this planner. I do them in my catch-all planner, but even though I've already done the roses are gold prompt in my catch-all planner, I went with a gold look and roses in that planner. This planner, I'm going to go with the rose gold. So we're going to do rose gold for roses are gold. And I need to pull out some washi. So I pulled out some washi tape. This is all Simply Gilded washi and rose gold. And I pulled out a mixture of sticker books. So I have the journaling book from the Happy Planner. I have the 1419 sticker book from Walmart. And the Dilutions Creative Diary Stickers Collection 2. So I'm going to be working with all of that. And to start, let's do what we do and white out. So I think I'm going to try and go with these two. Monday is President's Day. Okay, there we go. So I am going to use some other date stickers for this. So I'm going to cover this up. And I probably need to use some boxes too because I have a little bleed through. I really need to be more particular about which pens I use in this. I don't think I use the JD & Brooklyn pen, and it seems to be the best one in the Dollar Tree planner. And I haven't checked the site lately to see if those pens are still on the JD & Brooklyn site. I need to check because I would like to order me another one, maybe 2 or 3 more. I really like that pen, and when I use a pen, I like to keep it with whatever planner or journal I'm using. So I like to keep that one with this planner, even though sometimes I don't use it. Why did I just do that so wrong? Okay, let's try that again. Need to cover it all, not just the day of the week. And if you're wondering, when I do that and have to take tape off, I don't just throw it away. I have a rig here that is made out of PVC pipe that holds my camera and lights. So I have the poles of the PVC is full of little bits of washi tape. And I kind of use that when I need a spare piece of tape for whatever. And then sometimes I just clean them all off. And if they're really small pieces, I don't keep those. But I don't just throw them away. I stick them on the PVC pipe. And you use it later. I don't think I'm going to adjust the split weekend this week either. I'm going to leave it the way it is. Hopefully it'll work out. Okay, so the foil pretty much covers up, doesn't have any shadowing of the date, but I'm not sure that this tape is going to cover it. No, it's not. So let's go ahead and use the magic of whiteout, even though I really don't like to have to do this. And actually, when I first started using the Dollar Tree planner, I rarely covered the dates, but it kind of makes it a little bit more fun when the dates and the day of the week actually match your spread and not just a typical black, so, or a plain font if you want a fancy font, or even if you want to move the location of those items, which I've done quite often. Let's move things to a different location. So let's see here. And I do the every other day with a different washi tape just to give it some interest. Sometimes I like to keep it basic and I do all the same color. It just depends on what washi tape I'm using and the kind of look that I'm going for. So now let's put down, I wish I hadn't used these before. These aren't roses and they have gold foil in the center, but I'm going to use them, and I wish I had enough to kind of like go like that, but I don't think we do. Let's see what we can do with what we got. I'm thinking if I'm going to have enough to even come around and go down, but we're going to try it. So I'm going to start right, where to start? Let's start right there. Okay. And then we're going to do a medium size. I'm probably going to have to fill these in with something else. Let's do it in the crease. And then So that's it for this week's food diary spread. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for exclusive content and digital downloads. Visit my other channel, Journal Life's Journey, for live craft videos, junk journals, and weekly vlogs. You can find me across social media at Scrapcraftastic. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!